Look, they have an airplane here. Look, a flying balloon. And look at that. Here, all the caravan. Look, and that's
It's me.
See, look at him. Look,
Look at me. Hello.
where we
Hello.
are. Oh, here we are in Calacuachero, Calacuachera. Look at this. We will show you what's inside of this beautiful camp. Yeah, you know, I really love camping, but I never been camping before. Pangarap ko yun. It's my dream. But look at this. This is really special. It's a hotel. Here we will stay for a weekend. Look, here, you see, people can sit there. And look at, they have a bus over here. They can sleep here also. They can eat. It's a restaurant bus. And look, Banchoten, we will go check in. Look, come. We will show you what's inside here in this camp boat. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look here. Well, they even have a library like this. In Germany, they always have a telephone booth. Germany, I say, yeah, German telephone booth, but library, German library. Look, nice. We will go around later. We will show you everything. So you need really to watch because everything is so beautiful here. Everything is really the caravan. Each one have a different theme. Like our camper, this is our camper, and our camper is a spaceship. The motif is a spaceship, and look, they have here this other camper. All the camper has a different motif. Look at this, and this is the map of the world, the Atlas map. Yeah, this is a hotel, but they don't have a room, but all the room is a camper. They also have a bus like this. This is for a group of people. Then they go by the bus. But if you are like 8, 10, and you can rent the bus like this. You see? On that bus, then you can stay there. And look, here a different camper. Look at that. And here, especially this camper is nice view, because it's like you are in the really in the ocean. Oh, it's really so pretty. It's really so amazing here in Bonn. And they even have, look over there. They even have the airplane, small airplane, and they have also the balloon over there. The air balloon, and actually that is the restaurant. That is the restaurant here. You see, it's really so fun, especially for children. This is really so fun, and every camper, they have also their own how you call the outside, with you can have sitting area that they can sit outside. Like here, you see, this one is a musical theme, this orange one, and they have even a piano. They have the seating place, a orange color, and they even have a piano here. And this one is going to the train. They also have a train, like a train.
Yeah, we go in there.
So you can go to the train, and there is I think it's how you call it, that room in the train. Look, it's like a train.
Yeah.
It's a sleeping train. You can sleep there. If it is individual, and then you can sleep there.
There's toilets.
Yeah, look,
Yeah.
We're going to the train. This is the
Closed.
train.
Oh, this one is open. You can pee if you want.
Yeah.
And here are all compartments here.
Here is the compartment of the train that you can sleep. Here is more cheaper actually, but this one also is for 2 person each room. You can also sleep here. This is in the compartment.
Yeah, it's
That's
fun.
in the train.
This is a real sleeping train.
Yeah, sleeping train. It's really so fun here. They even have a games like this. And look, there's the bus. And the bus is for family or for big group. So it's really so much fun here in Base Camp Bonn. Yeah, it's really so much fun. Especially their different this American bus, and it's old bus what they are using, huh?
This is an American caravan, huh?
Yeah.
Good old days.
Yeah, it's a different caravan, old caravan like this one. Yeah, like this. The bus is like this. Look. Yeah. And this is their bus, actually. Yeah. Look at this for the
this is
group.
your old-fashioned
If you are,
caravan, huh?
yeah, if you are a group, you can come and stay in this place. Look, this is the room from the bus. Look,
This is
one
also-
bed, two bed. Look,
This is for children's bed.
yeah,
Let's go.
look, and they have,
The caravan.
yeah, it's really a big caravan. And look,
And they have a cooler, freezer.
cooler,
microwave.
freezer, microwave, and here another bed here in the, yeah, it was really so nice here.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, look. We have, this is our camper. This is our hotel for today. Yeah. Surprise, surprise. Yes. So you open the door. There we will stay for this weekend. Look at this. And that is, what is the theme?
Space shuttle.
We are in the space shuttle. Look, we're going to space. Look at this camper. Wow. Look at that.
Look at that, our hobby room.
Yeah, our hobby room. Look at this here.
Where's the light?
Look, we are here in our camper now.
There's
Look.
no light. No, there is no light.
Yeah, I think it's the light.
Oh, here.
Yeah, and we will show you also all outside.
Oh, look
later.
at this.
Wow. The design
This
is,
is really 60s. This.
yeah. I will go out and I will came from DC. We have our own table,
We have our own-
as you see. Yeah.
Oh, this is our closet.
This is going to the restaurant. If you go up, and that is the restaurant. And here is the balloon. Look, the hot air balloon. Yeah. And this is the reception. And here they also have one bus, like where we've been, the for family. Actually, the bus is for family. And the motif of all the caravan here is really a different motif, as you see. Look, but it is more in old design, and it was really so cool. Look, like this one is old caravan also, and they even have the telephone booth, the very old telephone booth. And by the telephone booth, all the games is there. They have Scrabble, all the games. And this is the toilet for the ladies, so they have actually a common toilet. That's the only things that, yeah, it's not so nice, but it's okay. Yeah. And here is, they even have a typewriter. The design of this, they have a typewriter. This is also another old caravan, and they even have this statue. Look, and look at this. And as I told you, every caravan, they always have their sitting area, so you can also go out and relax and sit outside. Yeah, this one is, the theme is like for skiing. So you see, they even have a ski board over there, and there is Banchotan again. Yeah, and this one is like I think this is like a Asian, something like that, because I see some tree.
Travel sleeper.
A travel sleeper. This is a travel sleeper design. Look, it's a travel sleeper design, huh? Because, yeah, it's a travel sleeper design, and as I told you, every camper, they have a sitting area like that. And they have, look, for children. It's really so cool for children, because for children is with these things, they can play. Yeah, and the other one is for skiing, right? This one is a big skiing caravan.
No, this is,
What is that?
This is where they went up.
Ah, yeah, in the mountain. Oh, look, it's
a
really,
lift.
it's a lift. Yeah, a skiing lift, and you can sleep there. And I think this is for 4 person, for a family. Yeah, and they have also their own own sitting area over there. And there is there's the bus where we've been. Yeah, and here is the music. Look, they have many yung plaka. How you call it?
Singles.
Singles, yes. Yeah, look. So we will see, and what is inside. Yeah, Marilyn Monroe. Yeah, look, and here is another design. Yeah, and there's for the if you or your hobby is yung hunting, then you can go in this caravan, and that is our caravan, the blue one. We have the spaceship design. Yeah, and here this one is like with co-driver. It's like you are in mechanic design.
This German car.
This is also a car. It's for one person, you know. The caravan for one person. You can sleep up. I can sleep there. I'm a tiny. So, can I see? Wow, 2 person. Oh, look.
Here you climb up,
Yeah, you can
and
climb.
here's your tent.
Wow, look, you can climb up here. You see, and there's the tent. And it's for 2 person.
Yeah.
Wow, and that is the car.
Here you close it.
To the restaurant, and there's the restaurant. You need to go up here, so I will bring you to the restaurant. Come, and be by the stairs, as you see earlier, you know, this camper also you can really sleep here up, yeah, for 2 person. And look, I'm going up, but look at the view. Yeah, I'm going up here. Here also they have, this is their office. They have an office here, but look, all the computer or the television, old one on the top. And there, look at that. We are now in their restaurant. And this is the restaurant. It's so cool. Look, you can have your own coffee here. Yeah, this is the restaurant. And look, with all the glasses. It's the design of the restaurant. And here tomorrow we have a breakfast here. This is for the breakfast tomorrow, so we will see more things here and people tomorrow. So this is the restaurant, and look, over there is the balloon, the hot air balloon. And from here, yeah, and from here I want to show you the view. Look at the view.
That's really fun, huh?
Wow, it's really so fun, the view here. Look at this, with a different theme of caravan, old caravan, not a new caravan but old caravan. Wow,
All 60s.
all 60s. And as you see, the big one, they are really for family or group, but or the small one is for 2 person. And that is our one, the blue one. Now we will check the toilet. Look,
The women's show.
yeah, this is a toilet actually,
And the shower.
and the shower. So we will check. It's pink. This is a common toilet. So this is the, we check. So this is how the toilet is. Look, it's also nice. See the toilet here? Look. And we will see the shower, how the shower look like. Oh, look. A lot of shower room here. And this is the shower room. Look. And there's Mr. Van Choten outside.
I'm in base
There.
camp.
Yeah. And he's by the telephone booth. And I told you, the telephone booth, look.
I'm reading a very interesting book.
Yeah, this is inside the telephone booth. Is all the games. So it's a gaming area here.
And very
Look,
interesting
and he's reading interesting book, little
puzzle book.
puzzle book. Look.
Oh,
So this is the playing game. You know, if you want to play, then you can sit here. This sitting area for people who want to play. It's beside the counter. And look at this. It's all bags. Old bags. A traveling bag, suitcase. So it's here by the bus, by the train. One of the train bullet. Look, here is outside is all the traveler luggage. And here is the typewriter, as I said. And look, behind the typewriter, they have this old cabinet also. Yeah, it's really, everything is old here. Look, again, so beautiful.
Look at this. This is the toilet. It's really nice. It looks clean enough. And if I go outside, here I go to the shower room. Look, that's me. This is the washing places where you can wash yourself. And here are the toilets of the showers. And you see it's all rain showers, so that's nice. I'm really looking forward to shower tomorrow here.
It's a car, huh? In front. Yeah, the Chevy. But look at the back. At the back of the car. Look at that. It's a chair. And there's a balloon. It's nice, huh? It's really cool. Yeah. Super nice. The car, look, car in front. But at the back is a sitting place. It's a bar. It's a bar actually. It's a drinking bar. They even have a basket, look, with this plaka design. And some people are coming now. Look. And I want to show you the map. And this is our one. And they have their old, look, this is their one. And this is our one, the spaceship. We have the spaceship theme. That is our cabin for today, our caravan. And they have the phone boat American style. And there the hunter and the singing. Yeah. Look, this is like this here. It's really, and they even have a fruits here in this design. The yung sa ano yung ano ba yun? And the sea. Nabubulol na ako. Yung sea design, paano ba yun? Mamamangka. It's like a bangka design. Sorry. And this is the, I want to show you is really, look, here the map. This caravan is map of the world, the design, pati yung mga chairs. Look, the chairs. And even the caravan is also, look, nakamap siya. Tapos ito naman yung medyo pasosyal. Look, may social na nakalagay na ano, social yung kanyang bank outside. Is, yeah, and this is the American. Look, they even have a clock like this, the old clock. Look, this one also. I want to show you guys. Look, this sofa. Kasi tinamuso pa siya, pero yung car siya, unahan ng car. So cool, ah. Tapos ito yung kanyang kanyang bus. And they even have an old radio like this. Yeah, and that is the entrance over there. And the balloon, as I tell you earlier. And there's Manchotan in our place. This is our place. The spaceship. Look, that's my man. The man of the spaceship.
Your astronaut.
The astronaut. Ah, my bag is there inside, ah.
Oh, that's too late.
Oh, you
It's
close.
already in the moon.
Yeah, can you open? And I want to see. I will
You can
see.
get it from there.
Yeah, I will see yeah, there's our spaceship. Yeah, that's our place. Look.
Wow.
That's where we will sleep for tonight, for the weekend. That's nice, huh? Pretty. What we have? You see that?
No, what do we have?
Spansit.
Oh,
Pork adobo and rice. Yummy, yummy. That's our lunch here. We are here in Spania. In Spania company. And there's our house, the blue one. Look. And that's the train. Look. That's our house. For the weekend. And there's Banchotan. We are only here in the restaurant, but this is not really a restaurant. Everybody can eat here, but we need to bring our own food here. So we bring a food from home. Yeah, yummy, yummy. So we will eat now.
Bye.
This is in the night here in the camping. Look, this is how it is in the night. You know, this is really a nice hotel. It's a camping inside a big building. Look, there's so many lights. It's really a nice concept, a nice idea. Look, they have a bar over here, and that's the restaurant up. And here, it's all the camping. So I will tour you around in the night. So at least you can see now. And look, there's the train with all the rooms inside also. And here's the other house. Yeah, and here's the bus. This is the bus camper. Yeah. And look, this is the map. And this is really in the night. Look how lovely it is with all the lights. Super nice. And there's Manchotan. Look at him. See? He's almost sleepy. And there's the restaurant upstairs, and actually that's for everybody. You can use their microwave, you can cut your food and eat there. Breakfast is there tomorrow, so we will see. But now this is with the light here, and I will show you our room. Yeah, our house, our space shuttle. Our team is space shuttle, so we are on the space shuttle team. And here they have a different team, and but we have also bus here beside us, and they have the pink caravan here, and there's another bus that's for more people. And here I show you in the night our camper. Look, we have make dirty already with our, we have a table here, see, our own table. Look at the curtain, it's really like a spaceship, like we are in the spaceship. And look, our bed, the color, see. And we even have here, see, to put our dress, a cabinet. Look, this is our cabinet. This is like this, the cabinet, you see. Yeah, and we have the open window over there. So this is really like a spaceship. Look, look, we have a spaceship here. So, and this is the table, and we even have a ride, like our table here is like a radio. See, it's our food. And so this is our spaceship shuttle. So, and if we go out, look, Banchotan, he has his own sitting room over there.
My own sitting room.
Yeah.
I'll lay in the couch later.
And over there is the sitting room from the other people, and there is from other people, and there's also from other people. Yeah, so we have our own sitting room over here, and there have people now sitting over there, a group. They're in the bus. Come, we go up. Come, you go with me. So this is our space shuttle. You see, the space shuttle. Look.
Spaceman.
This is our space shuttle house. So here they have also the wild caravan, and here is the music. Yeah, and there's the other bus, and look, here is the other team. And here is the train. What I will show you, that train. There's train to Bhutan. There's the train. They also have some people there in the train. And this is in the night. Look, and that is also in the night. That is the restaurant over there. Wow. Here, it's so nice here. And we're going up because we need to take some plate. Yeah, and because we have our own cake, so we will have some coffee. Look, so this is here like this, and there's Banchotan going up. We join him going up. Look, but I can show you if you are up. This is how we look. It's look like. You see, some people are drinking there, having fun over there. Look, it's really so nice also in the night, huh? Here in the camper. Look, this one 1967.
Camper van is from 1967, and this one is over there.
Oh.
Yeah, down here, below us.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Look, it's really like paradise here. See, super beautiful. And here is the restaurant. You see, you can borrow here all the cutleries.
Yeah.
Yeah, and here you can borrow the cups. You can borrow everything here. Just put it back. Look, the design is all the sako. Look, yung mga sako pwedeng ipang design, oh. Yeah. This is their coffee bar. It's free coffee and tea here, and also including in the room rate the breakfast here. And there again in the night is the hot air balloon. And here's in the night. Look, so nice. Look, it's our camper. You see the spaceship, the blue one, that's our one. Look, and we are here in the restaurant on the top, on the second floor. Look, and they even have the small airplane over there, and that's the hotel. Yeah, the train also, they also have compartment, and in the compartment there's also the room. So look, this is really so beautiful, huh?
Like you are.
Yes, look at that. Here is so pretty. You
Yeah, it's
see?
really beautiful.
In the night, you so we have in the daytime and we have our video in the night, so you see the difference, and it's really so beautiful also. You see, this is all the caravan over here. You see? And over there is also a caravan. So it's really nice also for children. And there's the hot air balloon. You see that over there?
Cold air inside.
Yeah, hot air balloon. Look, they have a hot air balloon here. Nice, so beautiful, the hot air balloon. And here they have a sala, living room here. Look, with the big men, the living room. Yeah, so beautiful also, huh? And that is the small airplane over there. So I'm going down now. See? Here is the office. Look, this bus with all the luggage over here. And here in the night, and here's the toilet, and here's all the old caravan here. See? And that's the other stairs. Somebody here already in this old caravan. Look. So, and the typewriter, you remember this afternoon? And here's the other sitting area. And here's all the luggage. And this is the other stairs. This is actually the exit of the stairs. And here is the telephone booth that become a library. And here we're going again to our place. There is it, Banchotan. Good morning. Good morning, Lakwachero. We're here now. Just wake up. Look. Wow, the view
It's
outside.
beautiful weather.
Look, have a caravan from outside.
Yeah, look at the sun. It's dry outside. Your hand is in front of it. You look, you still have a beautiful view.
Still have a beautiful view. And look, the caravan is out. And look at us, look. Oh, one more. Oh, look.
Look at
That's
us.
our view, you see?
Yeah,
Yeah.
our neighbor.
Our neighbor is that caravan. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
In the morning, our second day here with all the caravan inside this big building. See? And they're all full. All the caravan are full. And there's the breakfast place. The restaurant is here. We go there. Here you can take the free coffee and tea, a juice. It's here. This is the breakfast. Take a plate. And here what they have. Wait, I will take a plate. And I will see what I can take for breakfast. This is including in the room. So they have yogurt, fruits, yogurt, and cornflakes, and bread. And they even have a toaster here. And that's Banchotan, look.
Yeah, I'm hungry, so that's why I start already.
Yeah, he is hungry already. So,
I'm always hungry.
yeah. And what do you have? What is that for?
This is for put your shell in.
Okay, that's cute, cool.
Cute, huh? Like you, huh?
Look, today there's a lot of people now. And really all the caravan, as I told you, they are all full. Look, everything is taken. And actually our caravan, that one is the last one yesterday. We're just really lucky. that we still can have a space. And thanks God. Look, they're looking at each caravan because each caravan here, they are really a different motif. Look, the other one showing her caravan because her caravan is pink. And here we have our caravan is a spaceship caravan. And look, this is a sporty caravan for car racing caravan. And there's for the hunter. And look, they also have a bus. The bus is for a big group. And there's that caravan I want to go later because that is the world map caravan. Actually, I think I feel that I want to go to the road map, the map caravan, because we are Lacuachero and Lacuachero, right? So we're supposed to be there on that caravan. And also the train. Look, they also have the compartment in the train, and you really can sleep also. There is also a room on those trains. So as you see, and you know yung harap ng train is really outside. You see, I will show you later kung ano yung harap niya na nasa labas, and yung buntot ng train, you know, the end of the train is here. And there's still Banchotan taking coffee. Thank you. So we're having a breakfast now. So look, this is our breakfast, and actually the breakfast, yeah, it's a standard breakfast, but it's not a problem for me because I don't eat breakfast. I only need coffee, but that's including.
It has everything actually, except
Yes.
we don't have egg. That's all.
Yeah, it's only the egg that you're
The rest
missing.
is all there.
Yeah. So look, we have juice, coffee, tea, bread, and everything is in the breakfast. So
It's good.
yeah, so it's good. It's also including, as I told you, that's including in the room
Room rate.
rate. So that's why here actually is really, I think it's a good rate.
Yeah, it's a nice.
It's a nice, and it's a nice experience also.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, so you can try, especially with the kids. It's really nice here.
Yeah, playgrounds outside, inside.
Yeah.
So
Look, ready to go.
checking out.
And I will show you the outside of this boot camp, the hotel, and I will tour you around. We will start here from the left side. There's some parking over there, but look, I want to show you this bus here. Here in the summer you really can sit. Look, they even have an old bus here. Everything is old things here. Yeah, look, you can sit there, can have some barbecue. Over there they even have a patio. You see? Here.
It looks a little bit messy now, but
Yeah, but in summer I think I think it's crowded. So that's here, look. It's really nice here. You can sit here. Last night somebody is doing barbecue already over there, bonfire. Yeah, and this is how it is. Look, our car is there, and there's the entrance with the orange color, and that is a restaurant bus. It's a restaurant inside. You can sit there, and this is the old bus. Look, where's Banchotan now? This is an old bus. No, you cannot open it. And even have the old tractor hook over there. What is that? How you call it? Tour 1999 Sahara. So look, and this is the other, yeah, the trailer. This is the other side, and this is the in front of the base camp, boat camp, or how base camp. You know, I got confused with the name. But you know, it's a camper, and it's building. You see how this is a very big building. You see, this is a very big building that all the camper is inside of this building. Look, it's really so huge building. Yeah, so it is like this. They have an old bus, everything they buy, I think all the old things, and they put inside of this building, the old caravan, different one. And it's really a very good concept, as you see the inside. Look, yes, here have some old car over there, and this is a restaurant, as I told you. Here is the restaurant. Look, this one is a restaurant inside. This is a restaurant inside. You see, in summer this is really a restaurant. And but they have also here, they have a food cart over here that you can buy something. Yes, and look, they have all the menu and everything. Actually, in summer, that you can sit over there, but not now. And this is, as I told you earlier, this is the train that what you see inside. This is the back of the train. You see the entrance of the train. Yeah, this is the entrance of the train. And here you can buy French fries or you can buy some food. This is the snack bar. Yeah, and this is with this. And I will show you the train. The small part of the train is out, but they also have here a big part of the train. Look, see, it's a connecting piece. And it's also, look, they also have a bed inside, so it's also a hostel. Yeah, it's, you can also, yeah, the entrance actually of this is inside, and you can go here outside. Your room is here outside, so it's quite big. And over there you see they have the 2 stories camper. How you call that? This one,
4-layer bed.
4-layer bed.
Bed bunker.
Yeah, you see, they also have like this, the bunker, the 4-layer bed that you can sleep there.
I think it's very cool for this. You see the windows are all color.
Yeah, so this is how big is the, look how big is the place in the side. You see this big train here, you can sleep there. It's all bed. You see, as you see that inside, you see, I show you, look, it's all bed inside. You see the bed, double bed. It's for a hostel. Yeah, look. Oh, and there is the door going to this train hotel.
That's an emergency exit there.
Yeah, the emergency exit. So, and here also is another trolley, but it's a food house trolley. As you see this is a food house trolley, and this is another caravan, colorful caravan. Yeah. Oh, this is a tiny house. Look, they have their own balcony here. You can sit here, and you can sleep there.
You can sleep up there. And
Yeah.
you can see.
Wow. So this is the tiny house.
Kitchen, toilet, here sitting area.
Okay, can I see?
Yes, you can come.
We will have a look what is inside of the tiny house. Oh, look what is inside the
That's the
tiny
stairs
house. The
going
stairs
up.
going up.
To the bedrooms, here's the toilet,
And there's the kitchen.
there's the kitchen,
And
and here's the sitting area.
the sitting area we cannot hardly see. Yeah, there.
There you can see it now.
There's the sitting area.
Yeah, it's really fun.
So we're looking from the window, but look, and this is the up is the
sleeping area.
and that's the toilet. So that's, yeah, you see that is here in Camp Boat. It's really so fun. I think especially in the summer,
For children,
this
it's really
place
fun.
is really fun. If this is, I think it is full in the summer.
Yeah.
It's really so nice. You can sleep outside or you can sleep inside of the building. And as I told you, inside of the building were all the caravan, all different caravan. You see that already from our first vlog. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And this is
Base Camp Bonn.
Base Camp Bonn here in Bonn, Germany, and we really have a good time, and we will be back here for sure. Look, to experience in the train and with a big caravan, so it's super nice.